Across the world, industries are demanding more from hand protection. More precision, more consistency, more confidence. At Dipped Products PLC, protection begins long before a glove reaches the hand. It begins with how we engineer, manufacture, and innovate for the future. On 30th of April 2026, DPL marked a major milestone at its Kottawa manufacturing facility with the launch of 2 advanced glove dipping plants. The new natural rubber and blended glove dipping plant introduces Sri Lanka's first synchronized multi-robot dipping system for the glove manufacturing sector. Alongside it, the fully automated Electrician's glove dipping plant strengthens precision and automation across one of the most critical categories in hand protection.
The success will depend on how fast we are running on the technology. We have to move forward at different speed. We have seen many competitive plants, but we can proudly say that we are none second to anyone. We are leading the business. That is the capability behind the 50 years legacy.
Together, these advancements reflect DPL's commitment to technology, innovation, and the future of manufacturing.